Graphic eyeliners are always a great, unique way to emphasize your eyes and make a statement. In this tutorial, I want to demonstrate the application of a colorful graphic eyeliner for hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are eyes with excess skin covering the lid space. That is why eyeliner application in general is a little challenging. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we make sure our eyelids are concealed and set it with translucent powder. Then we start right away with the eyeliner application. You can use any color and eyeliner product that works best for you. Our first step is to indicate the length and height of your wing. On hooded and droopy eyes, we want to lift and elongate the eyes. That is why we must place the wing as high as we can. The length of the wing should not be longer than the tails of the brow. It should be located diagonally to the tail of the brow. Hence, we keep our eyes open, look straight and relaxed into the mirror and draw two small dots, one on the outer corner of the eye and another parallel dot on the other side, which determines the starting point of our wing. We connect the dots with the upper lash line. To complete the wing, we now apply a straight line from the outer corner of the eye up until the dot. Now, after slightly closing your eyes, you might notice a gap depending on how hooded your eyes are. Close the gap by applying a line starting from the wing straight up until the basic line. I did not have any gap, hence I skipped this step. Afterwards, we continue with creating our basic line, which is the line that is applied on our upper lash line. We apply small strokes and connect them with each other with the eyeliner starting from the outer corner up until the inner corner of the eye. Important note for hooded eyes is to adjust the thickness of the basic line to the available lid space you have. The thickness of the line should only take up to half of the lid space and not more, because that will give you the illusion of a bigger lid space. Besides, the thicker your basic line, the more your hood will be emphasized. Now we have our regular winged eyeliner on. During the application, your lashes might get in between and get painted. Simply get a cotton swab and remove the product from the lashes. Before creating the graphic line, we get rid of excess product on our eyeliner brush. Then we place our eyeliner brush on top of our wing and without too much pressure against the skin, we draw a straight line towards our nose bridge. Preferably, do not take a break while doing this. The straight line should not be longer than the middle of your lid. You now can make the line perfect while correcting it like I'm doing. Note to do this with a little product or the rest of the product that is on your eyeliner brush. In case of any mistakes or unevenness, just remove the line with caution and redo it. Since colorful eyeliners will not create a mess after removing it, it is really easy to correct any mistake. Now apply some mascara to enhance your lashes. It is really enough to apply only mascara with colorful eyeliner on, since the natural lashes are more obvious with a colorful background. Now, if you still go for falsies like I do, make sure they're not too voluminous and have a thin lash band. I'm using the falsies by the brand Kiss in the design Blessed. These will make the colorful eyeliner pop out more than working with dramatic falsies on hooded eyes. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please let me know by liking and sharing this video. Comment down below whether you have tried a colorful eyeliner on your eyes. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to not miss out on the next tutorial. Thank you.